This video will show you must-haves for a winter emergency car kit. Winter is upon us, and that means drivers need to be ready and prepared for any and all kinds of situations on the road. Snow, ice and inclement weather can cause you to become stranded in the middle of nowhere, and if that happens, you'll want certain supplies and equipment on hand to keep you and your family safe and warm until help arrives. So grab a clear plastic bin and fill it with these items to create your winter emergency car kit. Kitty litter or coarse salt for help with tire traction. Sometimes the simplest things can get you out of a jam. A small shovel to dig your tires out. An ice scraper. Road flares to make other drivers and emergency vehicles aware of your presence. Tow straps, even if you can't tow, someone else may be able to. Jumper cables, a no-brainer for every emergency car kit. Cell phone battery backup, what good is a cell signal if your phone runs out of charge? Water and non-perishable food items. Matches, candles and a coffee can. This combination of items will keep you warm if the car is dead and the heater isn't working. You can also melt snow to drink in the coffee can. Spare clothes and blankets for the whole family like hats, gloves and socks. Tip: bundle everything into a spare coat. With these items, you'll be well prepared to take on the roads during the winter months. Car trouble in the cold? Snow problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.